turkey breast, turkey tenders, turkey wings for stock, turkey carcass for stock, turkey leg and thigh, my favorite. I'm gonna be using these on a TikTok. So for these turkey tenders, I'm gonna be utilizing the breasts. Now here's the turkey tender right here. This is the tender portion, which is just this little flap under the breast. Now if you separate it, there you go, you're left with a turkey tender. You guys recognize the shape. Obviously that's not enough for everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and utilize the breasts, because why not? Now here's all my tenders laid out. Now if you guys have seen any of my other like fried chicken videos, you know it's straightforward. I'm gonna soak it in buttermilk, I'm gonna put it in my dredge. But it's turkey, so I thought it'd be really cool to do a stuffing flavored dredge. Why not? It's Thanksgiving. So first we're gonna go ahead and soak these in buttermilk. Do this overnight. You can also flavor your buttermilk with some Tabasco, Frank's Red Hot, salt, pepper, whatever. I'm just gonna do straight up buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, also, you can do 50-50 sour cream mixed in with milk. A little salt in there, why not? Okay, so turkey tenders going in there. So what you will be needing for this dredge: flour, about a cup and a half cornstarch. Now what makes stuffing taste like stuffing? It's the mirepoix, right? The mirepoix and the herbs. So I'm gonna sort of emulate that. I've got onion powder and I've got celery seed. Now the only thing not in here is the carrot. That might be weird. So I'm just gonna throw in celery seed, onion powder. We'll do about 3 tablespoons of the onion powder, generous amount. And about the same amount of celery seed, maybe 4 tablespoons. Black pepper. Good amount of salt. And there we go, I've got my base. This is going to be my stuffing flavored dredge. Now, you're gonna be asking, where are the herbs? Herbs are right here. These herbs are fresh. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick them, then I'm going to chop them up, and then when the turkey comes out of the fryer, I will toss that turkey with the salt and the fresh herbs. It's gonna be a perfect garnish. Now this is what is going to go on our turkey after frying. All it is thyme, rosemary, sage. Chop it very fine, take your time. I usually zone out when chopping these herbs. I love chopping hard herbs for some reason. Yeah, the finer, the better. Canola oil set to 325 Fahrenheit, that's it. Then over here, we're gonna go ahead and dredge up our tenders. So, from the buttermilk, and like I said, you can hold these overnight in the fridge, from the buttermilk into the dredge. Now, it's very important to remember, dry hand, wet hand. You don't wanna have a sticky mess all over your hands. I like to sort of agitate the bowl as I go, so I can just get even coating. All right, everyone, this is something that I've said in every fried chicken video I've ever made. Once you put it from the buttermilk into the dredge, there you go. You've got a coated chicken, right? Just like that. It's not done after that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort of squeeze it into the dredge. Not too much to where you destroy the chicken, but enough to where it tears just a little bit. So then you're left with a piece like this. See, as you can see, it's kind of torn up a little bit. That's how we're gonna create texture. We're gonna have these nice like little crispies building up on the chicken. So just tear it up just a little bit, squeeze it into the dredge, and you're good to go. Now when you're frying these off, remember, canola oil is set to about 325. We don't want the outside to cook before the inside. So we want to get some nice color without undercooking these guys. Also make sure not to overfill your pot with too much oil. We don't want to overflow here. This could be kind of dangerous. Then immediately once these come out of the fryer, toss them into a bowl and then toss with your herbs, some salt, toss them onto a rack or a tray with a paper towel. Now once your tenders are done, you can go ahead and plate them up and go ahead and use some gravy like that ramen gravy from the previous video I posted. Check that out. Pour that all over, drown it in that gravy, and maybe on the side with some of that cranberry sauce that I did on my Insta recently. Now that's a nice looking plate of turkey right there. Let's get a little piece with everything on there. Oh, still hot. What I love is that it actually tastes like stuffing. So freaking good. You guys, that's freaking Thanksgiving in a bite right there. This is really good. Try this out. Fry yourself some turkey. Maybe do some turkey thighs as well if you like brown meat. Check out that ramen gravy video. Let me know what you think. Remember, share this if you make it on Insta stories. I will repost them. I love reposting your stuff. Let me know what other Thanksgiving stuff you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video.